Alright, here is part 2 of the opposing model. So we're going to be doing the same as we did with the upper anterior deprogrammer, just flipped because I'm going to be making a flat plane on the lower. Okay, now I had originally marked this flat plane, but I'm actually going to be doing this as a simple shell. It's easier for me to make a simple shell and then extrude an anterior flat plane in Meshmixer than it is to do a flat plane night guard like you would do for a full night guard. So there we go. Okay. I'm going to survey the model from here. Looks good. Alright, very nice. I'm going to mark the splint margin. Okay, there we go. So there's the splint. Now if you see here, see how they really hollow that out there. So we need to go back. There we go. That's better. So always check the underside. Sometimes by doing the finalized splint, sometimes you have to change it over to carve mode, but that looks a heck of a lot better. So there we go. All right, we'll export, and then you'll see me open this back up in Meshmixer, and then we'll so basically I'm just going to even this out, make this more flat on the top here, and so we'll do that next. Alrighty, here we are, we're back. So, it's going to be looking first, kind of seeing if there's anything that I need to trim up here. Okay, so now that I've got that going a bit, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little bit of flattening to this. So, let me go to select, and I am going to just highlight the occlusal table here. Don't need so much on the lingual, so I'm going to delete that. There we go. Like I said, just mainly need it on the occlusal. Okay. There we're going to extrude this. And I want to bring it up about 1 millimeter. Okay. And then I want to go to Edit, Plane Cut. We want to make sure we're not going to be creating any holes through there. There we go. And there we go. So it looks good. You could spend a little bit more time just smoothing this up right here if you wanted to. I'm not going to because I always polish these with a lab handpiece anyway, so that's just going to take me 10 seconds to do with the lab handpiece. So there we go.